Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI on iPhone in 2026. Dola AI can help you manage your calendar, reminders, meetings, and daily schedule from your iPhone. The main advantage is that you can interact with Dola using simple natural language messages instead of manually entering every calendar detail. First, open your preferred browser on your iPhone and access Dola AI. Sign in to your account or create an account if you're using Dola for the first time. Once you're signed in, connect your supported calendar service. Follow the instructions shown by Dola and review the permissions carefully before allowing calendar access. After your calendar is connected, you can start creating events from your iPhone. For example, you can type, "Schedule a meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. for 1 hour." Dola can interpret the request and help add the event to your connected calendar. You can also create reminders. For example, say, "Remind me to call the client tomorrow at 10 a.m." This can help you keep track of important tasks while you're away from your computer. Another useful feature is updating your schedule. If a meeting needs to be moved, you can send a request such as, "Move my meeting to 4 p.m." Always review the new date and time before confirming the change. When using Dola on an iPhone, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your calendar permissions are enabled. If notifications are important for your reminders, also check your iPhone notification settings. You can use Dola while traveling, working, studying, or managing personal appointments. Because you can communicate with the assistant from your phone, it can be convenient when you don't want to manually navigate through your calendar. For important meetings, flights, appointments, and deadlines, always double-check the final event in your connected calendar